to arrive. This is the Guerrilla 450, the return of the real roadster.
The Bear 650, the new scrambler from Royal Enfield.
Ladies and gentlemen, here's the Flying Flea. Extremely nimble, extremely lightweight.
It's just good to see you guys, all of you again.
The scenic roads and of course off-road, which I'm excited about.
There is no predictable journey in the Himalayas.
Yogesh Navneet Kumar, the champion for the year 2024 Royal Enfield Continental GT Cup.